Hi guys, welcome to Tech Rewinds. Today we're doing a review of this J.V.C. SVHS player. Model HR-S3500U. This is one of the better models that came out in around the mid-90s. Sony and Mitsubishi also made some VHS players, but J.V.C. came out with most the SVHS players. Came out with like 10 different models. This is one of their prosumer model, not a professional, but not just a regular consumer model. It's kind of something somewhere in between. Take a look at some of the specs on this unit, some of the features on it. You can see you got the power button, menu, enter, okay, the line in if you want to connect like a camcorder or something, channels, your SVHS ET record. This model can actually record regular VHS tapes. It's a VHS ET, so you can record a regular VHS tape on Super VHS format. Got the pause, record, stop, eject, the play. It's got this jog wheel. It's for tracking. And the fast and rewind ring. This model has some high resolution compared to the other models. There's other ones that are a little lower quality. This one's mid-range. Wouldn't consider high-end, wouldn't consider too low-end. Hi-fi stereo, easy plug and play, 18 heads, minty unit, pretty good conditions. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the unit. Right here we got the S video cable, outs and ins, and the regular composite cables, AV computer lit cable, and antenna connections. You'd have to get the SVHS cable to get the full S video quality. If you just connect it with a regular composite, you want to be able to get the high resolution. So here we have the two different type of regular VHS on the left and your Super VHS cassette. They pretty much look identical, but this one is double coated, has way better resolution, way better image. There is one slight difference between a regular VHS tape and a Super. If you look in the back, the tape has a small little hole which indicates to the machine this is a Super VHS. If you look at the regular VHS tape, doesn't have that little hole. Actually, Super VHS tapes are pretty hard to find. They never really created movies directly on a VHS. You have to buy, like, pre-record a tape. So I actually found this one on eBay not too long ago. Some movie in here. Let's go ahead and check the quality of the tape. This video calibration, it tracks very good. Fast forward on this unit is really fast. That. It's incredible how good the quality is. There's the pause. can slowly track with the track wheel, so you can get more accurate fast forward or rewinding. It's a great unit. She got this one on Amazon last week. Cost me, it was pretty affordable. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description so you guys can take a look if you guys want to get one on Amazon. Yeah, solid unit.
On the best of Hollywood, Gene Kelly and Frank Sinatra star with Katherine Grayson. What a dish, what a...
Let's go ahead and put a regular VHS and see. This is a regular VHS tape. As you can tell, there's quite a difference in quality. It's a little more grainy with the regular tape. It isn't as sharp, as crisp as the other Super VHS. There you have it, the J.V.C. Super VHS ET. Like I said before, if you guys want to check one out, check the description below, and I'll put a link on Amazon so you guys can snag one. Thanks for watching. Till next time.